The Nigerian military that can't stop the Boko Haram group in Nigeria was busy bombing Benin to rescue the president or the people of Benin from some alleged coup d'etat last week. Hello and welcome again to the Politics podcast. Geopolitical Queen here with today's episode on how the Nigerian military just attacked a sovereign country because France ordered Nigeria to do so. So what happened again? In late November 2025, the Islamic fanatic group in Nigeria known as Boko Haram kidnapped some schoolgirls from the northern part of Nigeria. The government of the day in Abuja informed the nation that school children should stay at home to avoid being kidnapped. And that was the end of the story. Then about a week or so later, on the 7th of December 2025, there was an alleged coup attempt in Benin. Surprise, surprise, after Macron of France made an announcement on TV in France informing the world that he had spoken to Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, and that everything was going to be under control. In a matter of minutes, Nigerian Air Force planes were flying over Benin to fight the Benin military to foil the coup. In the typical Nigerian bragging style, the military generals came swinging their arms and thumping their chests as to how their superior military power had enabled them to foil the coup in a matter of hours after it began. So the surprising question therefore is, how and why can't the Nigerian military use its so-called superior military power to attack the Boko Haram group and protect their girls? But when some Beninois are doing their thing in their country, the Nigerian military thinks that is their priority, to just jump up to go and attack a sovereign country just like that. How does this make any sense? What kind of stuff are these Nigerians made up of? Attacking a sovereign nation like Benin that has not attacked it, but because France orders them to do so? Fighting against your brother because France wants you to do so? Did the Nigerian government ever hear of Ukraine and Russia? How are things going for the Ukrainians? So how on earth does Nigeria allow itself to be the puppet of a bankrupt country with no morals like France? It's really amazing what is happening in this Nigeria. A country that has it all: human resources, financial resources, natural resources. But when it comes to leadership, morals, ethics, common sense, Nigeria has none. Do we really have any leaders in that country known as Nigeria today? Well, kindly leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and thanks for tuning in. I will be back with the next broadcast. Good day.